how to create a Valorant account. First, you want to simply open your browser over here, and once you're inside your browser, you want to simply search for Valorant over here. Once you're inside, after that, you want to simply open the official Valorant website over here, and you want to simply tap on play for free. Once you have done that, you want to simply tap on PC over here, and if you do not have an account, you want to simply tap on create one over here. And by doing so, you'd be able to follow the prompt from here. You want to simply type it out your email over here, or you can also continue with your Facebook account, Google account, Apple account, Xbox account, or with your PlayStation account as well. If you already have an account, you can simply tap on already have an account to follow the prompt to log in into your account directly. Here you want to simply apply your email over here, and once you have applied your email, you want to simply tick this both of the boxes, and you want to tap on this arrow option over here, and by doing so, you'd be able to follow the prompt to create your account on Riot Games, and you'd be able to play the Valorant game as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next